Dr. Patty Ford, and I've had such interesting conversations today. I've talked with people about getting their diet to the exact macros, and I've also talked to people about giving yourself some grace, because being a human is really messy. And so we're all in such different journeys with your health. If you have the capacity to sit and talk about your total energy needs and then the percentage of the macros, your carbs, proteins, and fats, down to the gram, and how much you want per meal, and you have the capacity to figure out, well, yogurt has this and grapes have that, then that's amazing. And that means you have room in your life, the emotional capacity, the ability to cook for yourself, shop for yourself, meal prep for yourself, which means there's time, and then there's emotional room. If you don't have that capacity and you're just wondering where your motivation went, and you got out of bed today and that was the biggest thing you did, that's okay too. Because as a human, like, we kind of go through hills and valleys like this, where sometimes it feels impossible to even think about the next meal. You're riddled with grief. You're confused about finances. You're heartbroken with a relationship, or you're anxious with your next move at work, or maybe even about politics or things that are happening in the world. The world can feel really, really loud. We're right now in February of 2026, and I'm not ignoring the loudness of that. And I definitely have opinions about what's happening. But in my practice, my goal is, even in the midst of things feeling like they're on fire, is to hold a space where I can support you and validate and meet you where you're at, to help you continue to have hope and take the next step forward, whether that's as intricate as macro meal planning, or as simple but also hard as waking up in the morning and choosing water versus a soda. Food and body is such an intimate experience. There is never a one size fits all. There's themes that I think we all could benefit from or listen to, but even then, there's always an exception to the rule, where nutrition science and implementing the science in someone's life is never black or white. And if you run into someone, a practitioner, that says it's easy, it's simple, just know that they don't understand the complexities of human nature. And it's not that they're wrong, but they just don't understand. And that's okay. And they're allowed to, but maybe don't work with them. So you want to find someone that can really get to understand your story and where you're coming from, and then help you take the next best step. Because I have authority when it comes to science, when it comes to food and body, but I don't have the authority over your life. I do want to help you figure that out and help you decide what is the next best step for you, because that's up to you. And I hope you can partner with someone in your life that can do that for you too. All right, hope that helps.